welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you my very first mechanical keyboard, which was preferred by my friend because it's budget-friendly, beginner-friendly, and easy to modify. So without any further ado, let me introduce to you my no other than RK68 PRO. Ta-da! So this is how it looks like. So this one is a 65% mechanical keyboard. It has CNC aluminum. Tao po. This mechanical keyboard can also be wireless, which I really like about it. And it has Type-C as well for wired connection. It also has a 2.4 gigahertz free dongle. So if you want it to be wireless like me, you can have a better look or clean look on your desk. Lastly, it also can be connected through Bluetooth. It has Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect it on your Apple, Android, your tablet, or even laptop. I also have the RK red switch. It's hot swap, meaning you can change the switches without desoldering it. It's RGB. And it also has a very nice aluminum finish for the price of 3,800 pesos. I bought this RK68 PRO because I'm actually planning to modify it. As I said a while ago, it's really easy to modify, so watch out for my next video. I'm planning to turn it into pink. I also want to make it stylish. So watch out for my next videos.